In this video, let me give you a tour of an awesome place I visited in Tawang. It's in Arunachal Pradesh during my recent family tour. यदि आपको तवांग के बारे में कुछ जानना है, हिस्ट्री के बारे में कुछ जानना है, it's a must visit place of Tawang. They charge you a minimal amount of 70 rupees. As you enter, you see the bust of the heroes who laid down their life for the nation. This is a museum which was inaugurated by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Earlier, it used to be the headquarters of 190 Mountain Brigade. It's like a museum. It's almost about Bob Khating, the first Indian official to visit Tawang. There are many more facts which we'll find out as we tour the museum. ये एक आपको पुरानी तस्वीर दिख जाएंगे तवांग की. You can only see the Tawang monastery out here and this trip made me realize many things. I will show you various things related to the great person. And he is the perfect example that we can do anything we desire and work hard for it. He was a soldier, a teacher, administrator, and a diplomat. Multifaceted person which we all desire to be. उनके इन्हीं अचीवमेंट्स के कारण उनको इंडिया का फोर्थ हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड दैट्स पद्मश्री दिया गया था. It was given by the Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the President of India. You can see how he was in the army, he was involved in the politics, and he was involved in the administration. He graduated from Cotton College, Guwahati, becoming the first tribal graduate from Manipur. He joined British Army at 1939. He was involved in World War II also. And at the age of 32, he got the military cross in 1947. और 1948 में जब इलेक्शन हुआ आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस, मणिपुर में जब इलेक्शन हुआ, ही वाज इलेक्टेड एज एमएलए. उसके बाद अराउंड 1951 वो तवांग आए थे. ही वाज चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ नागालैंड. ही वाज फर्स्ट ट्राइबल एम्बेसडर, इंडियन एम्बेसडर टू म्यांमार. आफ्टर सीइंग दिस अचीवमेंट, ओम शांति ओम का एक डायलॉग याद आता है मुझे, जिसमें कहा गया है कि अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से को चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उससे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. आप पूरे दिल से चाहो तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. ये सीखने को मिलता है इस महापुरुष के जिंदगी से. दिस वॉज हिज फेवरेट स्वेटर, जिसको इसके पत्नी ने, धर्म पत्नी ने इनको बना के दिया था. सो यहाँ पे आप वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ आइटम यूज्ड बाय मेजर बॉब खाटिंग के द्वारा जो यूज़ किया गया है उसको आप देख सकते हो. This was the dresses used by him. This was the trunk he used when he was the ambassador of Burma. This is his Assam rifle dress. This was the gift given to him when he was the Chief Secretary of Nagaland. And various other items, all you can see out here. It connects you with the person. ये कुर्ता जो उसने पद्मश्री लेते समय पहना था. These are his fishing hooks, dagger, bag. The next section talks about a timeline of Bob Cutting's arrival to Tawang. जब उसने जर्नी शुरू किया 17 जनवरी को, he started with around 200 riflemen और 600 porters. तो जब वो तवांग पहुंच गए थे, he was welcomed by the public of Tawang. And after a few days, he held a meeting with the locals and the governor of Tibet, the Zongpans. The meeting was held in a high hill ground. The whole place was surrounded by around 100 Assam rifle personals. It was to show the strength, but Bob Cutting का जो interpersonal skills था, it was so good that use of force was not needed. लोग ऐसे convince हो गए थे सब, and they happily, President of Tawang, the elders of Tawang, happily joined the Indian administration. This is the route the Bob Cutting and the men took to reach Tawang from the Tejpur. The Jairam Dolatram was the governor of Assam, जिसने Bob Cutting को order दिया था to march toward Tawang. And this whole segment belongs to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. These are few letters written by the Bob Cutting and few received by him. मैंने इसे यहाँ इसलिए include किया because the whole museum is about him and these things give some personal touch to the museum. If you want to read the letter, kindly slow down and take the screenshot of the letters. And this section has the soil sample from the place of birth and place where the Bob Cutting was laid to rest. The left one is from the place of birth, the Ukrul area in Manipur, and the right one is the place where he was laid to rest. This section is about awards and recognition given to the Bob Cutting, the great man. He was awarded by Britishers और इंडियन गवर्नमेंट एंड प्लस अरुणाचल गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू अवार्ड दिया गया था इनको. ये सारा मेडल है, स्टार मेडल्स, उनको वार के लिए मिला गया था Burma War, World War II. This is the Padma Shri which he got from Government of India. इसका फोटो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया था आप लोगों को. And this is the Arunachal Ratnan, the highest award from Arunachal, state of Arunachal. And this section is all about 1962R. This is a timeline of 1962R. You can pause it and watch it. This was the newspaper clippings during that time. और वार को काफ़ी फ्रंट में लड़ा गया था. In this section it was Jimithang and Bumla mainly, जहाँ से चाइनीज ने अटैक किया था. These were the weapons used during that war. The Chinese attacked Tawang through two sectors. That was one Jimithang and one was from Bumla front. In Jimithang, you might have heard about the Battle of Namkachu and Kinzemane, where many of our Indian soldiers had let down their lives. They fought till the last bullet. And in the Bumla sector, I think you have heard about the Paramvir Chakra, Joginder Singh, Subedar Joginder Singh. Chinese were not the problem. There were many problems. Indian के साथ outdated weapons थे. They had limited ammunitions and उन लोगों को यहाँ पे आके acclimatize करना बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा था. And these are the helmets, the bayonets, and the water bottles. You can see a bullet wound on the helmet. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो किसी ने इनको पहना होगा वार के दौरान. और इस ट्रिप के दौरान ही मुझे पता चला कि one of our son of Arunachal Pradesh was part of this war. His name is Rifleman Nilam Tevi, जिसने अपना जान दिया था अपने देश के लिए, अपने मातृभूमि के लिए. He fought in the Battle of Kinzemane. And there is a story of Kinzemane. The whole post was outrun. The 5th Assam Rifle was there. The whole post was outrun by the Chinese army. After many years, when new battalion came to the area, a young officer उसने लोगों को लगाया और बोला कि जाकर bunkers को चेक करके आओ. And when they checked the bunkers, they found the bodies of the martyrs holding the gun, and there was no bullet to fight. That was the condition. I have been to Kinzemane. It's just a valley surrounded by the mountains. These are the martyrs, the heroes of the war. That's the Subedar Joginder Singh, the Paramvir Chakra winner. He fought so valiantly in the war of Bumla. आप भी अभी जाओगे तो आपको बुमला में उनके नाम पे एक मंदिर दिखेगा. And there are many more heroes. And around 2,400 people laid down their life for the nation during that war in this Tawang sector only. It makes me very emotional as I see the list of the martyrs. It touches my heart how the people from all over India came out here and laid down their life. This is the whole regiment involved during the 1962 battle. The next section is all about the Tawang, and there is the VR section out here also which you can enjoy. And इसमें काफ़ी सारे चीज़ों को रखा गया है यहाँ पे। यहाँ आके मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा। So if you visit Tawang, do visit this place.